Yellow.ai is basically a leading conversational AI platform. Basically, we use the concept of dynamic human and AI agents. And I'm the chief customer officer here at Yellow. So come in with almost 25 plus years of experience in the industry. So we are currently headquartered in San Mateo. We have sales and engineering offices across the globe, India, Southeast Asia, US, and the Middle East at this point in time. We are roughly about 800 plus organization at this point in time. As you can imagine, running 250, 300 plus projects on Excel on tools that does not allow for easy collaboration with our clients. Again, we tried multiple of them and it was a nightmare. So for me, as an executive, not knowing which projects are progressing the way it needs to, which projects are red, and where the projects needed attention was a critical component. And again, as much as it was a nightmare for me, it was a nightmare for our delivery managers in managing the client expectations. Again, we've used Jira, we've used Google Sheets, we've used Zoho projects. I think they all probably do certain functions well, but it does not do a great job of collaborative project management and essentially streamline the onboarding process. I think especially with Rocketlane, this was super easy for us. And then also combined with the fact that we could do resource utilization, resource tracking, forward-looking forecasting are some of the key things that have been an absolute boon for us to be able to kind of forecast project statuses, forecast capacity, and then be able to kind of plan accordingly. When obviously we first heard what were the capabilities of the tool, I remember thinking even if this tool does 50% of what it says it does, it's going to add significant value for us. And in fact, on the first demo itself, I was pleasantly surprised in terms of the fact that, again, not just 50%, I think the tool met 80% of my requirements. And I think that was really an aha moment for me because we immediately saw the value that it could bring in terms of the benefits that it would bring for our clients and to Yellow. So for me, that was an aha moment when my expectation was far exceeded from my 50% expectation to more than 80% in terms of what the tool could do. It's extremely intuitive for our clients. We like the fact that they get real-time information and updates without having to kind of ask anybody on email, make a phone call. Second thing is we absolutely love the ability to internally collaborate within Yellow. There's a set of things that we use internal communication-wise within the project relative to the project beat within various departments, our product, our platform, our support, and quality assurance teams. That's the second aspect of it. The third aspect of it is the dashboards are fairly intuitive, and the insights that we derive from that, from our perspectives for planning, are some things that I absolutely love about the product. So I think key things, right? One is we measure it across two folds. One, how fast can we deliver these projects to our customers? And that's the first and foremost value that we are calculating. So that we have seen at least a 15% improvement in our go live times. Roughly again, in terms of hours saved, probably you're looking at in excess of 50,000 plus hours globally that we've been able to save on an annual basis by using the tool. I think what really surprised me about Rocketlane engagement is how hands-on Sri was as a founder, and the team and the agility with which they were able to work with us to get this implemented. Not an easy job to implement this for 300 plus developers and other stakeholders that are engaged on the project. I think the team did a fantastic job of working with us. We were live in maybe 2 weeks plus, and then fully live in 4 weeks post-pilot. So I think that was really differentiated in terms of how we've onboarded several of the SaaS tools. And I think that kudos goes to Sri and his team in terms of getting the focus to working with the customers to get things done. On a scale of 1 to 10, I would definitely rate a very high 9 and above. I think the support is fantastic. The team is super responsive. We like the fact that there is an ability within the tool for not just me, but any user within the tool to be able to kind of request help. And there are people that are there behind the scenes real time, and even sometimes the CTO or Sri himself to be able to kind of pick up some of these and solve this in real time. So that's what we like the best.